Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to tune up my scooter by installing an unrestricted CDI for more top speed. To access the CDI, I need to remove the front cover. I do this by loosening this bolt and a few screws on the sides. Okay, let's get started. Now the cover can be removed. But first the connector needs to be disconnected. This old CDI is causing problems. Sometimes there are loud bangs from the exhaust at high speed, and sometimes the ignition cuts out for a second. Carefully pull up the two connectors out of the old CDI. And then install the new one. I secure the CDI extra with cable ties. Now everything can be reassembled in reverse order. Okay, great. Let's see what the result is. I am very happy with this upgrade. Thanks for watching and see you next time.